Hello, my name is Abdulsalam Abdulsalam my name from Meritchoice Global Resources. I welcome you to our very organization where you tap into digital world and freelancing. What we actually do in this great organization is we are into business development, project management, branding, digital service, marketing, execution, wellness consultant, and human resources. Here we train, coach, and mentor people how they can have an entrepreneurial mindset. And successfully today, I'm happy to tell you that we have trained over 10,000 people and still counting people who have become CEOs, entrepreneurs, and business owners. And today, they can run and they are running their own business of them. Yeah, at this opportunity, at this great organization, we have our training schedules of which we train in the key groups with some digital skills like web development, mobile application design, web hosting, networking service, e-commerce solution, accessory service, and AI programming. It's not that one. We also learn and we also train people how they can be a social media manager and how they can be able to make use of their social media marketing service and also copywriting, graphic design, email marketing, account optimization, logo management, and also SEO optimization. It's not limited to that. We also do engagement. Join us today to learn some digital skills that they are high paid in the global market, whereby you will be able to work as a freelancer. You'll be able to work as a freelancer working with anyone across the globe and making your own money without going through any stress. We are in us today at Meritchoice Global Resources, where you'll be able to learn some high-paying digital skills that are highly demanded in global market. And with that, you'll be able to work as a freelancer at your own space without working a salary work that is fixed amount of money. You understand that? You're going to be working with some digital skills. You are going to work with the skills you have and making money with that in the global market. Now, with that, you can work as a graphic designer, as a web developer. You can work as an SEO optimization, like also as a video editor. Now, today, if you are ready to join this training, it's free. But all you need to do is that you have to be ready to learn, to acquire knowledge. Because the first step towards success is readiness to learn, readiness to be coachable, and also you have to be available at our very Meritchoice Global Resources. I hope to see you here, whereby you will work together, freelancer, and also work together as a team, making money this global. Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye.